In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo AI. This built-in assistant in the Moomoo trading app helps you analyze stocks, summarize financial news, and get quick answers to investing questions, all in one place. I'll walk you through how to open the assistant, use AI stock analysis, read AI-powered news summaries, and get daily market briefs so you can research faster and more confidently. Start by opening the Moomoo app and logging into your account. Look for the AI icon, typically at the top of the screen or in the bottom left corner, and tap it. This opens the AI chat assistant. Here, you can type specific questions about stocks or the market. To get better answers, include the company's ticker and your focus. For example, you can ask, "Is NVDA a good stock to buy? What are the risks of Tesla?" Or summarize Apple earnings. Feel free to ask follow-up questions to clarify timeframes or dig deeper into any point the assistant mentions. Next, use AI stock analysis to evaluate a company quickly. Search for a stock like AAPL and open its stock page. Scroll until you find the AI stock analysis section. You'll see a concise financial summary along with balanced bull and bear arguments. Key metrics typically highlight growth, profitability, valuation, and liquidity, while the risks and opportunities section flags what could move the stock up or down. Use this view as a starting point. Note which drivers the AI emphasizes, cross-check with the latest filings or earnings call highlights, and consider how the company compares with its peers. When you're reading stock news, let Moomoo AI save time by summarizing long articles. On a stock page, open the News tab, tap any article, and look for the AI summary. It will pull out the main takeaways, so you can grasp the story in seconds. Use the summary to decide whether the full article deserves a deeper read, and always check the date and source to understand context and potential bias. Finally, make the most of the AI market brief. Each day, Moomoo AI compiles a snapshot of major market events, trending sectors, and important company announcements. Review it to see what's moving the market and to prioritize your research list for the day. A quick but important reminder: AI is a research tool, not a guaranteed trading signal. Always double-check the analysis before making decisions. Verify data with official filings, compare multiple sources, and make choices that fit your strategy and risk tolerance.